Hello to all the food lovers of Cooking Tips 5S. Just look at this glossy, moist cake, so soft when you cut into it. Bet you wouldn't believe it doesn't need a jar of flour or even an oven. Today, I'm bringing out two absolute showstoppers: a weight-loss-friendly apple oat cake and cheesy baked sweet potatoes with that irresistible cheese pull. Cheap ingredients, but once you taste them, you'll be totally hooked. Let's get into the kitchen right now. To kick things off, we've got a cake bursting with the sweet essence of fresh fruit. Let's lay out the ingredients. 1 crisp, juicy red apple, a plate of rolled oats, 2 fresh eggs, a bit of fresh milk, and a few spoonfuls of white sugar. First, let's prep our main character. Peel the shiny red apple, cut it open, remove the core, and quickly dice it into tiny cubes. Cutting it this way helps the apple soften while baking and release its natural sweetness into every bite of the cake. And here's a super valuable tip from Cooking Tips 5S. At the same time, prepare a bowl of water, add a spoonful of salt and stir to dissolve. Immediately soak all the diced apple pieces in it. This salt bath prevents oxidation, keeping the apples bright and fresh rather than turning brown, while preserving their juicy sweetness even after baking. Let them soak for a few minutes, then drain thoroughly. Now it's time to bring everything together. Take a large glass bowl and pour in all the rolled oats. Add some fresh milk and use a spatula to mix well so the oats fully absorb the milk. Next, crack 2 whole eggs and add about 2 spoonfuls of white sugar to enhance the natural sweetness. Stir well until the mixture becomes thick and well combined. Finally, add all the diced apples and gently mix once more. Your batter is ready. Prepare a square aluminium mould. Pour the apple oat mixture in and smooth it out evenly. Place it into the Spa air fryer. Set the temperature to 160 degrees Celsius and bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. Time's up! Pull out the tray and enjoy the amazing aroma of baked apples and oats filling the kitchen. The cake has risen slightly, with a lightly golden surface that looks incredibly appetizing. Transfer it to a plate, slice into neat squares, and take a bite. Wow! The cake is moist and soft, while the apples remain slightly crisp and naturally sweet. Now that we've enjoyed a light and healthy cake, all the cheese lovers come over here for the second masterpiece. This time the ingredients are a few orange-fleshed sweet potatoes, diced mozzarella cheese, a piece of unsalted butter, cornstarch or tapioca starch, sugar, cooking oil, and 1 egg yolk. Peel the sweet potatoes, slice them into thin rounds and steam them. Under the rising steam, the potatoes become soft and fluffy. Transfer them into a deep bowl. While the potatoes are still hot, add a piece of golden butter, a few spoonfuls of sugar, and some cornstarch for binding. Carefully separate and drop in the glossy egg yolk. Use a fork to mash and press everything thoroughly until the butter melts and everything combines into a smooth, elastic sweet potato dough. To prevent sticking, rub a bit of oil onto your gloved hands. Scoop a portion of the dough, roll it into a ball, then flatten it. Place a handful of diced mozzarella in the centre. Gently fold the edges over and shape it into a sleek boat-like form, sealing the cheese securely inside. The key to preventing cheese from leaking out during baking is to seal it tightly. If it opens, you'll lose that amazing cheese pull. Arrange these sweet potato boats into an aluminium tray. Use a brush to lightly coat the surface with egg yolk so they bake up with a beautiful glossy finish. Place the tray into the air fryer and bake at 160 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 18 minutes until golden around the edges. And here comes the most satisfying moment. Place them on a fancy plate, break one open while it's still hot. A stream of gooey, stretchy white cheese pulls endlessly, releasing a rich, buttery aroma that blends perfectly with the sweet, creamy potato shell. A true masterpiece that awakens every sense.